Okay guys, Mark Worman, Graveyard Carz. This is so exciting. This is our other 1974 Cuda. We showed you a video of it when we were pulling it out of our storage unit. This car was never sold. That's right, new old stock. 74 Cuda, 64 original miles on it. 1 billion% original, right down to the tires, right down to the lug nuts. Every single thing, every spring, every clamp, everything is 100% original. We got it over to the shop. I've been detailing it. It's dusty now. I've been working on getting the underhood cleaned up, trying to get all the crap off of it for all the years of setting. Right now we're getting ready to start it up. We believe, according to the people we got it from, perhaps the last time this car ran was in the 70s. How old are you guys? Were you even around in the 70s? I mean, I was. But this car has not ran since then. So we've gone through, we've checked the fluid levels, we checked the oil. We actually changed the oil, left the original filter on just because it's old oil. This is priceless. This is priceless, this car. So we don't want to take any chances. So we're getting ready to fire it up right now, and that's a very exciting time. Doug's just topping off the radiator. I want to show everybody here, if you can get over and get a view of that. I know we showed it before, but just so you know, the car's MSRP was $3,252. Can you even imagine it? Here's all the things it came with on the Cuda model. All the things that were standard on the Cuda. Then it looks like they upgraded to an A04 basic light group. Center console, heavy duty torque light costs more money. Sure grip rear end, tinted glass, dual chrome, air conditioning, vinyl roof, body side stripes, chrome style road wheels, which is what we call the Magnum 500, but it's really a road wheel. Original tires, which are on the car, coming all down to, with a destination charge, of $4,786. I'm not the kind of guy that likes to talk a lot of numbers, but I can tell you right now, if you would have bought that car in 1974 and parked it like this guy did, you'd have made a pretty good amount of money. Douglas, are we getting ready to fire this old mother humper up? I don't know where my pilot went. Where's my pilot? Here, let's show the interior. Come on over here. I got the emergency brake set, so over there on the right-hand side is our... Oh, no, actually the one on the right-hand side is our oil. I've got the key in the on position. So it has no oil pressure right now because it's not running, but it's going to be running. I have faith. Even though the car hasn't ran in 1,000 years, I still have faith. This is the one, remember guys, that have the wrong seats in it. They're supposed to be black. The manufacturer screwed up. Where'd my Dougie go? Douglas! Okay, I'm gonna go find Dougie and we'll be ready to fire this up. With this car, because of the safety features, in order to run it from inside, I would have to be in with the door shut and the seat belt on, and of course in park or neutral. So right now I've got it neutral. I've got it on our lift, but I'm going to run it remotely with this. This is connected to the starter relay, which you see right here. Actually, he hasn't connected it yet. Thank you, Dougie. Appreciates you. Let's make that connection, shall we? One of them goes to this post here, which is always hot. And this one goes to this post down here. And that should stay on. I can actually connect it right up here if I want to. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to bump it here. Okay, it wants to crank. Douglas, you want to put some petroleum in it?
Already did.
You got, okay, you ready? Let's try this thing. Usually when you prime them, if they're going to fire, they'll fire right up. Oh my God, look at that! Douglas, ran out of gas. We're hoping it'll pump fuel from the tank. Woo! That's what happens when it gets a little lean. Doug, I don't think it's pumping fuel yet. Let's have a little more petrol. Oh my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. Listen to that. I don't give two craps who you are. You'd have to have a very rare car to listen to it through these mufflers. This is the original exhaust system. It's a shame that camera won't do any good. Look at those tips. Now here's something. This is a factory car, never touched, right? Look how far in this tip is and how far sticking out this tip is. That's called mass manufacturing. It's terrible, terrible. Got the dealer plate on it from 1974. Oh my God. We're talking about a car that's never been driven except 64 miles. 64 miles. And listen to it. Holy cow, listen to that. That's insanity. It's a brand new effing car. Got a little drip from somewhere. I'll figure out what that is. Little baby drip under there. I mean, think about this, guys. The seals haven't had oil in them. None of the stuff has had fuel or oil in it since the 70s. What, 40 some years? And you put it in there and it runs like that. It is the only car that's never, this one and the red one are the only two Cudas in the world that have never been sold from the manufacturer, from the dealer. Never sold. The other one has 6 miles. This one has 62 miles. Good luck. Good luck. Is it 62 or 64? Yeah, 62, I think. Let's look inside and see what it is. 62 miles. And look at it. No vibration, no nothing. This is a miracle of humanity. Look at that. That thermal quad, they never last. Thermal quads are rubbish. And listen to that one. I think I need to lube up my linkage here. Listen to that. Well, guys, I don't give a crap who you are or where you're at. If you want to own a Cuda that's never been sold with 62 miles, that's 1,000% original air in the tires for all I know, right? Shalom Aleichem. We also have the matching one to it, the red one. They are now officially up for sale. Write me at Mopar Revival, M-O-P-A-R-R-E-V-I-V-A-L, Mopar Revival at yahoo.com. But don't write me to say cool car. I know it's a cool car. Write me if you got a lot of money. Daddy need his money better than a hog needs slop. Woo! Good job, Roaster. I'm going to shut it off and check everything. Hello ghouls, Mark Worman here, the Ice Tree from Graveyard Carz. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey, Alice!